All right, guys, give me just a second and we're going to get it started. I appreciate you guys showing up today. Smash that like button on the way in. Give me just a moment and we're going to get the stream rolling. Life changer in the house already. Much love to you, bro. All right, we are ready to go. Locked in, loaded, ready to rock and roll. All right, welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome to Average Joe Crypto, or AJC. And if you don't know, now you know. This is the place to be if you love crypto. Pump those likes on the way in. It's going to be a very urgent and quick live stream today. We're going to dive straight on into what is going on with Dogecoin and why are they playing with us right now. When is the Dogecoin DOGE ETF actually going to go live on the stock exchange? When will the Dogecoin ETF actually launch? Well, guys, we're going to talk about it. We actually have another date to look at. We have another date. That's right, another date. So as you guys know, we were looking at the launch being yesterday, then today, and now, yes, life changer. Now we are looking at the date being September 18th. So even with the delay, the Dogecoin price still reacting very bullishly. Doge still reacting very bullishly to this. So let's talk about it. We have this article from ccn.com, Dogecoin ETF launch guide, key dates, delay update, how to buy and risk to watch for. So we do have the delay update here, and we're going to talk about this before we go into the charts. So it looks like Doge is expected now to debut as the first US ETF built around a meme coin on September 18th. They're playing with us, guys. So now we have a new date to look at and to be paying attention to. So, guys, we need to be watching September 18th and waiting to see what is going to take place in the charts. Leading up to this date and after this date, I personally think the price is already pricing in this massive event. So will we actually get a continuation of upside price action for Dogecoin after the actual launch? Let's go on down here to see. So on September 11th, Bachunas did inform us via X there's been a slight delay, and that the DOGE ETF is scheduled to begin trading on Friday, September 12th. But now the debut has been postponed again, with trading expected to begin on Thursday, September 18th. Update part 3 from Eric Balchunas. Another delay for the Dogecoin ETF, launching next week, midweek, probably Thursday. And then we have another update here. This was the most recent update. Or this was not the most recent update. This was when he told us we'd begin trading on the 12th. It looks like now that has been pushed even further. A little bit of details there about the ETF as well. When will the DOGE ETF launch? Expected trading date for the Dogecoin ETF. The inaugural Dogecoin ETF is expected to begin trading on Thursday, September 18th, 2025 on U.S. Stock Exchange. Multiple reports and analyst posts in early September 2025 confirmed this timing. For example, Bloomberg's Eric Bachunas highlighted that DOGE is slated for a Thursday launch, kicking off the meme coin ETF era. Important notes about the launch. Exchange ticker is the funds ticker symbol will be the DOJE, so Doge with a J instead of a G. Keep an eye out for this symbol on brokerage platforms. It's a play on Doge with a J, likely due to ticker availability. Otherwise, we should have probably had Doge with the G. Official launch date was originally September 11th, now scheduled to begin trading on September 18th, Thursday. As of that morning, the ETF should be live for trading during normal market hours. If you're reading this after that date, it may already be trading. And we already know this information. We have here on the channel already talked about a lot of this previously, so no need to go over that again. Now, will there be another delay? Will there be another delay? Dogecoin's price has jumped considerably here leading up to the launch of the ETF. Definitely high anticipation for this ETF launch, guys. The whales have been accumulating Dogecoin leading up to this launch. How to buy the Dogecoin ETF? One big advantage of an ETF like Doge is that it's bought and sold just like a stock. If you're familiar with buying shares of a company or another ETF, purchasing Doge will feel the same. For U.S. investors, brokerage accounts, search the ticker, place an order. Pretty simple. I don't guess we know exactly what the shares will of the ETF will start trading at, what the price will be. Buying US listed ETFs from outside the US can be a bit trickier due to local regulations, but it's often possible. So if you are outside of the United States, but you want to get in the action here with this Dogecoin ETF, honestly, I don't understand. I really think that if you were outside of the United States, you wanted exposure to Dogecoin, you know, you could just buy Doge. Just buy and hold Dogecoin. I don't know why really. I don't really understand why someone outside of the US would even. I don't understand why someone would really want to even worry about trying to get the ETF when you could just buy the Dogecoin token and hold it. What is going on, Green Fingers? Little face tat in the house again. Welcome back, guys. Good to have you this morning, or this evening, that is. Could be morning for you guys. Not sure where you're viewing from, but, or well, Green Fingers. Hope you guys are doing well. So, I mean, if you are still wanting to get this ETF and you're I don't know why my microphone does this, bro. Anybody else use a Rode Pod mic? I've got to figure out why it does this, bro. It is constantly, like, I don't know if it's a power surge or what. I'm sorry, I'm getting off topic. But it constantly does this to me. I don't know why. Sometimes it does it more than often. Sometimes it doesn't do it at all. But it's like it power surges on me, and I don't know why. I really don't like it, though. Doge price rises despite latest delay of US Doge ETF launch. Dogecoin gained around 4% to reach 26 cents, and we actually went even higher, despite Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas reporting that the first US Doge ETF faces another delay. September 18th is now the date to watch, you guys. Dogecoin's price rose Friday, even as the launch of a U.S. exchange-traded fund tied to the meme coin was delayed yet again, according to a Bloomberg analyst. According to CoinMarketCap data, Dogecoin increased by nearly 4% over the last 24 hours, reaching 26 cents at the time of this writing. Of course, you guys know we have went higher than this now. Dogecoin has, I think, is well on its way to 32 cents, give or take, and we are going to look at that in the charts here in just a second. This is going to be a very quick stream, guys. We're going to dive into the charts, and we're going to do this very quickly. I do have to go pick up my daughter soon, so I don't really have a lot of time to hang out. Last night's stream was great, though. I do appreciate all of you guys that showed up in last night's stream. It was wonderful. We had a good time talking crypto and trying to get a trade in. We didn't really, last night, early this morning would have been a good time, I think, to get in on a trade. Last night, things were just too volatile for my likings. Early this morning would have been a great opportunity, in my opinion, and we may still have good opportunities. We're going to look at the charts. We're going to look at the charts, and we're going to look at the Dogecoin price, but we may still have good opportunities leading up to September 18th to get in even more juicier gains with Doge. I fully believe that Dogecoin is going to be one of the top performing altcoins, and for it to be a meme coin is crazy, because it doesn't even at this point doesn't really feel like a meme coin, does it? Yo, Deadwood in the house. Good morning, good evening, good to see you guys. Stinky Finger, what? Oh, like, who is Stinky Finger, bro? Who is Stinky Finger? Dogecoin, the world's first meme coin, is attracting increasingly more institutional attention. Friday reports indicate that Clean Core Solutions, a maker of aqueous ozone cleaning systems, reached half of its 1 billion Dogecoin treasury target after buying $130 million in Doge this week. Guys, the announcement follows Clean Core Solutions' announcement that it will raise $175 million via private placement, spending those proceeds proceeds on acquiring more Doge. This offering was successfully closed 2 days after the announcement on September 5th. Also this month, Trump family-linked media corporation Thumbs Up announced plans to acquire 3,500 Dogecoin mining rigs. The announcement described the meme coin as one of the most widely held cryptocurrencies. I myself might even look into a Dogecoin mining rig. I mean, at this point, I feel like I should be mining Dogecoin. Maybe mine some Ethereum. I have an extra computer. I should put it to use, right? I mean, what do you guys think? I think mining is honestly maybe not Bitcoin. I don't really think. I feel like, and I don't know enough. I'm not educated enough, honestly, around the whole aspect of mining Bitcoin. But I'm not sure that right now is a very lucrative time to be mining Bitcoin. Spot Bitcoin ETF see strong demand as crypto market tops $4 trillion once again. So beautiful. Crypto market cap, total market cap. The total crypto market cap now passing $4 trillion once again. Altcoin season index chart. We are now at 69, it looks like. So we are, let's see, is this correct? We are there. We are there. This is we're in the gray zone here, but look at this, guys. We are right here at the cusp. Right at the cusp of alt season, guys. Right at the cusp of alt season. Once we get past 75 here on this chart, we are good to go on alt season. Alt season is here. I mean, it is here. It is definitely here. It may just be that we haven't seen those 50, 100%, 200% days yet. But it's coming for some of these altcoins. Some of these altcoins are going to do absolute numbers. Absolute melting faces right now. Now, let's see. We should likely go ahead and jump into the charts. I did have a couple of articles here up. We've already looked over some of these. My damn microphone, bro. My damn microphone. Did it again. I don't know. I don't understand. I don't understand why my microphone does that. I cannot figure this out, guys. And then it resets everything every time. It resets my noise gate. It resets everything. And I really do not like it. At all. Oh well. Okay. Let's see. Mic check. Mic check. Anyways, really should not have to be doing a mic check this far into the stream. I don't understand it, though. I don't know. I really don't know. Life changer, I appreciate you letting me know there. Yeah, I don't know. Not sure what happens there. It's like my microphone glitches out on me. I don't know. And it should be fine. It's a Rode Pod mic. It's a good microphone. Anyways, let's move on and let's dive into the charts, guys. We're going to talk about what's going on with the Dogecoin price today, as we have had yet another delay. Another delay on another delay on the ETF launch. So I mean, we are definitely in altcoin season. Look at this. I love this, right? I love this. So I love this because, I mean, you can see right now that we are where we're at. I mean, we're right there, you know? I mean, this was the switch. Whenever we were back here on this meter, I would say this is when, right here is when you should have been, you know, putting your Bitcoin profits into altcoins right here. And then, of course, it's off to the races. Once we pass into that 75, level, once we pass into that 75 level here, cross this line here. Oh yeah. All right, guys. So Dogecoin has gotten a breakout of our weekly asymmetrical triangle. So, I mean, we were waiting on this, right? Now, I did mention this resistance coming in at 27.5 cents in the previous live stream. And as of right now, we have came up, we're testing that. And that is this previous top here. We did have a previous top right here that we are testing now. And then we have the previous breakdown zone there. But overall, the key thing here to note is that this weekly candle has broken this major downtrend resistance. So now we need to see this weekly candle close and the new weekly candle open in the next 2 days above this downtrend resistance. And once we get that close and candle open here above that downtrend, and we can break above this trend line here, it is going to be beautiful. Man, yeah, I can't help but think that, you know, my microphone glitching out and stuff is also an issue. Let's see. Life changer, much love to you, man. I appreciate you showing up. I can't believe it's 3 in the morning for you. Get some rest, man. Get some rest. I'll see you in the next one. It's a short one, man. I just wanted to hop on here. I wanted to give you guys the breakdown on the new delay on Dogecoin ETF, and then of course just give us a nice highlight on the price action here, because it is nice, man. It is nice. I mean, I didn't have a lot planned for the stream. I just wanted to hop on, holler at you guys, let you guys know that Dogecoin has broken out of the asymmetrical triangle on the weekly, and we are at resistance here, testing 27.5 cents. Okay, real quick, I'm going to go over ETH on the hourly. Man, beautiful breakout for ETH on the hourly here. Heading towards 49.5K. Looking for 5K, honestly, easily looking for 5K ETH. Just a beautiful breakout of this, right? Beautiful breakout of this. I would say that, you know, we definitely want to get above this previous top over here. We might put in a little head and shoulders action, but this little descending triangle breakout is beautiful. I mean, I'm going to call it a descending triangle. ETH looks beautiful right now on this nice little rounded price action here. It looks beautiful. Really does. Let's see. You know what? I feel like I don't know, maybe, I think that if, you know what, Deadwood, I think if I get some of these other issues sorted out, I think we'll be okay. I don't know why my microphone messes up like that. I do know that YouTube, the way YouTube works, man, if you don't have your all your shit together, as far as like everything, settings properly set up, properly audio properly connected, and everything, like it will affect the streams and the reach. So I don't know, but we're growing, we're building, and we're growing, guys, and I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to stay right here with you guys through the rest of this bull cycle and the upcoming bear cycle, that I really am wondering if it's going to be as bad as the previous cycles. Some people are calling for the worst and the biggest blow off top, and you know, the biggest, worst crypto bear market in history coming up. I mean, maybe so, but I just don't feel that way about it. And the only thing that would feel that, I guess, and would make that make sense, is if the big money that's getting into crypto now wanted lower, wanted to buy lower. I mean, sure, they might they might push the market down harder than ever before. But yeah, I mean, honestly, that's the only thing I can think of right now that would do that. We are ready to go. We are primed, set up, ready to run on most cases. Most coins ready to run. God, XRP looks good, bro. XRP looks fantastic. It really does. XRP looks wonderful. Oh, I did not realize that I was not using the right microphone. Oh, my bad, guys. Anyways. Gemini stock soars in NASDAQ debut amid crypto IPO boom. Shares of Gemini Space Station, the digital asset exchange founded by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, surged in their market debut on Friday, signaling strong institutional appetite for crypto-related equities. Gemini shares briefly topped $40 on Friday before retreating later in the session. By the afternoon, Gemini was trading near $35 a share, up 24% on the day for a market cap around $1.3 billion. XRP price getting tighter. Key levels keeping it from price discovery. Man, $3. $3. Will Ethereum retest 4,300 in the coming days? You know, Vinyata, I appreciate you in the chat there, my man. I honestly would love Ethereum to retest. Honestly, it's, you know, when the time comes, when alt season comes, when Ethereum season comes, and whenever we look at ETH and we look at these altcoins and we feel like, damn, it's too late. We waited too long, you know? And then we get caught sitting here wishing and hoping for a pullback. And I seen a post the other day on X or somewhere, and it said, crypto's the only place where where people celebrate pullbacks. I'm celebrating pullbacks so that we can buy in lower. ETH 4,300, you know, honestly, the 4-hour MACD, I don't know. It does want to go a little higher, I think. I think that we could see ETH test this previous top up here. We could test the previous top here, or the measure move of the descending triangle, and then get a pullback. Now, I don't know that we will go all the way as low as you mentioned there, $4,300. I don't know that we'll go that low. We have a ton of support there at that price level. So if we did dip, I mean, 4,300 is support. It's actually your point of control here on the 4-hour for Ethereum. So Bitcoin at $116,000, guys. I would mention something here though, just to point this out to you guys. Something that looks very, very similar here to me. Something that I think we should be probably taking a look at here. Just to keep you grounded here, guys. What I'm looking at is the comparison of this to where we're at now and to this back here. So if we compare all of these top areas, right? If we compare all these and we look and see what happened, we can kind of get an idea of what we should be expecting here soon for Bitcoin. Now, if you look back here, this blue moving average right here, we got below it, bounced off the yellow one here, came back up, got rejected by the blue one, and went lower. Right now, what we've done is we've came down, we've bounced off of the yellow moving average, and we're looking for a retest of this blue one here on this current bounce for Bitcoin. And if that does not break above that and we get rejected, I would expect to come down here. And that is a possibility, guys. Do not rule this out. Bitcoin could come up and get rejected here and fall down to test approximately $98,000. And that would be similar to what happened here. It would be similar to what happened here. And boom. I mean, if you see what I'm saying, smash the like. But that is just to keep you grounded here because, you know, we do have that resistance. We had a top here, a top here. Each time we topped out there, we went down. Same thing here. We could come down below 100K, guys. That's just to keep you grounded. Just to say what I'm seeing in the charts, guys. My opinion only, not financial advice. But if you see what I'm saying also in the charts, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. What's going on, ATL guy? Welcome back, my man. This is a very short stream today. I apologize for you guys showing up. But if you did watch the replay, I appreciate you. If you showed up today for the stream, I appreciate you. We looked at DOGE. We looked at DOGE. Had to mention the fact that we have broken out of the weekly asymmetrical triangle pattern. My microphone glitched out on me once again. Don't know why. Don't know why. But I appreciate you guys, man. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. Be safe. Get those gains in and have a good one. I will see y'all in the next one.
Sound right, boy. It sound right, boy.